First, you want to make sure your machine is off and unplugged. Second, remove the 2 button head screws that hold the safety shield in place with a 5/32 T-handle. Be sure to keep bolt and washer together for when you reassemble the unit. Next, remove the 3 cup loader rods. Remove the Kydex top of the machine by taking your 5/32 Allen wrench or T-handle and loosening the button head screws on each side. To remove the back, use an 1/8 inch T-handle or Allen wrench set and loosen the button head screws on this side on both top and bottom. On the back side, be sure to loosen these 2 here and completely remove this bolt here using an 1/8 inch T-handle or wrench set. Then remove the back panel. Lid stock alignment. Depending on what side of the cup plate your lid stock is off left to right on the cup, what we're going to want to do is remove the button head screw from the swivel head. Before we do that, we want to loosen the chain by rotating the cup plate clockwise, then remove the button head screw that holds the swivel into place. Next, you're going to place a 7/16 wrench on the nut and a 3/8 wrench on the swivel and loosen the nut. Again, depending on what side the cup plate is off, you're going to rotate the swivel either counterclockwise, which moves the table to the left, or clockwise, which moves the table to the right. 2 turns of the swivel end equal 1 full revolution. Typically, 1 full revolution will align the lid stock and cups properly. Once this is done, tighten down the nut so swivel end does not move. Once your table is aligned, make sure that the turn only is at its lowest point so the lever is all the way down. This will allow you to reattach the swivel with the button head screws back onto the lever. Once this is done, place blue back onto unit, tightening down 3 bolts on the back side with the 1/8 inch T-handle. Tighten down the 2 button head screws on the front of the unit to fully attach the back. Next, place the top back on the unit, tightening down 2 button head screws. Place the safety shield back in place and tighten down the 2 button head screws with washer. Place the 3 cup loader rods back in place and resume normal operation.